Y'all ever had one of those days where your equipment just like falls apart? You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's a track down there, idler wheel, excavator up here. Oh my goodness, it's been a day. Actually, it hasn't been too bad of a day. But we got down here in this hole down here, popped the track off. So put the track back on, and the little tensioner for the grease, you know, stopped working. Stupid thing. Tried cleaning it, tried fixing it, so Willy's gonna get another one, but split the track too. It's stretching pretty good. I think it's done for. I don't know. We'll get it back on there. We'll try it out, but they got another set of tracks up at Bobcat, so if we have to, we can go get them tomorrow or something. But I'll get a video of me driving this thing around on one track. Get my wheel.